Now whatever you wear, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty. I hope you all are doing great. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So today's video is going to be so colorful because we are talking about lehengas. So today I'll be sharing some of the dupatta styles that you can opt for this wedding season if you are going for a lehenga. So without much ado, let's jump right into the video.
So the first style I'm going to show you guys is the perfect one if you have a bordered dupatta. So for the first style, take dupatta lengthwise and start making pleats. Once pleats are done, place it on your shoulder. And then carefully take both the borders and place them together like this. Now we are going to secure both the borders with a safety pin. Now bring forward the remaining dupatta and make a triangle with the borders of your dupatta like this. Then secure this section by tucking it in or using a safety pin. To secure these borders together, I'm using a safety pin. And now, forget about your dupatta because it's hands-free style. If you don't like any extra fabric hanging in the front, then this style is for you. So similarly, take dupatta lengthwise and make pleats and then carefully place both the borders together. And secure the borders with the help of a safety pin. Now take the bottom of your dupatta and make triangle with the borders and tuck it in like this at the back. And our dupatta style is ready. It is very similar to the first one, the only difference is we are not keeping borders together at the back. You can show off your latkans very beautifully in this style and both left and right side look very beautiful. This will give you a nice heavy look at the back, very clean and chic front look. The next style is perfect if you have heavy dupatta with lots of embroidery or Banarsi dupatta. For this one, take your dupatta lengthwise and make pleats and then adjust the length of your dupatta at front. And then secure the front portion with the help of a beautiful waist belt. Now adjust the dupatta fabric after belt. Now take the rest of your dupatta and bring it forward and wrap it around your wrist. So before wrapping it around your wrist, we are going to make triangle with the borders and then secure it with a safety pin. When you wear it, make sure you bring all your bangles to the front. This is a very beautiful style. You can go for this style if you have a very heavy dupatta or you don't want to show your tummy. All sections of your dupatta are properly secure and you can move freely. So next style of dupatta is a princess style. It reminds me of Sonam Kapoor. This is very simple. So place your dupatta like this and make sure length is equal on both the sides. And then secure both the sides with the safety pin. Make a V with the border of your dupatta and secure it with a safety pin. So on one side make pleats and then place it on the shoulder and secure it with a safety pin. And leave the other side loose. This style is perfect for the heavy dupatta and also if you don't want to show your tummy. This dupatta style is perfect if you have a plain lehenga choli. For this one, fold your dupatta into half and then mark the middle section of your dupatta, and then take both the corners towards the middle section and then secure them with a safety pin. And your jacket is ready. So adjust the length and everything. You can keep it like this, or you can wear a waist belt. This style is perfect if you have a beautiful dupatta but you have a light dress. This way you're flaunting your dupatta and at the same time covering your lehenga and choli. For the next look, take the corner of your dupatta and make a triangle and place it on your shoulder like this. For the time being, I'm going to tuck it in the lehenga. And then bring the rest of your dupatta forward. Take one corner and adjust the borders. And then use a safety pin to keep the borders in place. And then use a safety pin to keep both corners together. It looks something like this. I think it looks pretty. But hold on, this is not what we are going for. So I'm just showing it how this one looks. And then take 8 to 10 inches of your dupatta and secure it around your lehenga with a safety pin. And your beautiful designer look is ready. I'm totally in love with this look. What do you guys think?
Brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So on that beautiful note, I take your leave now. I see you in my next video. Bye.
Now whatever you at, babe.